The purpose of child support is to ensure that both parties have some financial contribution to their children's basic needs. It's meant to help parties cover daily living expenses, food, clothing, shelter, and the state has an interest in making sure that the children have that support, and so they've developed child support guidelines that are set forth in the Florida statutes. Child support is not meant to be punitive. It is sheerly based on the state's interest in supporting the children and making sure their daily basic needs are met. I have a lot of experience handling child support modification issues. My 15 years of experience gives me the knowledge and the skill level to understand the complexity of these matters and handle them with care and expertise. Every single child support case is different. There is a formula, but it depends on the factors that are entered into the formula. So parties' incomes are one of the things that are entered into the formula for child support. The number of overnights that each party has with the children is something that gets entered into the equation. Which party pays for health insurance, which party pays for child care costs are things that all vary case by case, obviously, and can make a difference in the child support equation. Sometimes people modify child support because their incomes have changed, incomes have gone up or down, that will make a difference in the equation, or they've lost a job. Also, if the custodial arrangement has changed, sometimes parties will deviate from what their actual time-sharing arrangement is, and in real life they'll wind up having a different number of overnights than what it says on paper, and so child support can be modified to make the child support number commensurate with the custodial arrangement. If a party who's obligated to pay child support does not pay child support, they can be subject to a variety of repercussions. They can be held in contempt for non-payment. They can be required to pay a purge payment, which is a lump sum payment to pay off some of the balance that's owed. They can also be required to pay the other party's attorney's fees for having to seek enforcement, and they can even have their driver's license suspended or revoked. Parties should definitely hire an attorney when they have a child support case. There are so many elements of the child support equation that sometimes can be negotiated or have to be negotiated, such as what incomes to plug into the child support equation. Sometimes that's an issue. Sometimes a party isn't working and income should be imputed to that party. And so there are a lot of legalities that an attorney would know to argue, to negotiate on behalf of a party that that party wouldn't know, not being a lawyer. And so there are a lot of downfalls that a party can have if they decide to try and handle it on their own without the advice of counsel.